So this means anyone who visit the site, the web page or the website, he first of all comes here index like oh, okay. So then you can call it index here. This file exactly the way it is, all small letters, index. Then after index, we shall also have another thing, because even if we control S right now and we come here and we see, even if you refresh, this one is not going to disappear. So to make it not to come over there, the index, we can use something I used here, that was options, and the option we set it to false. So you can just come here and check out this and bring it into our screen like here, and you see this option is now set to false. When you control S and you come right here, now see the index has been disappeared. But when you come here and come here, you say it's true here. Now our head shown, head shown. You say yeah, let head be shown. You say it's true. When you come here, you see index appearing, and but we don't want it to appear because there is no need. So we say false. Say turn it to false like that. You control S, thing is alright.